New construction home in the Apple Hills area of Myrtle Point could be yours for the holidays. Open floor plan on the 1,616 square feet main level with large living/kitchen/dining area for easy living/entertaining with easy care vinyl plank flooring and granite countertops, 9-foot ceilings throughout the main level. Lovely primary bedroom with large attached bathroom with toe kick heater and walk-in closet. Additional 1,146 square feet on lower level with double garage/workshop area/extra bonus room. Call for a showing today.